Hi, this is Purnima Devi in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in SNS College of Technology. So now we discuss about data visualization, how to install the Tableau tool in our desktop, and also how to visualize the documents using the Tableau tool. So first of all, what is data visualization? So the data visualization is a tool which is used data visualization which is used to provide the graphical representation of data which we are having. So we have more number of data regarding the organization. So the organization maintains the document either in a structural or non unstructured format. Structured format means rows and columns. So we use the databases, relational databases, rows and columns. The more number of rows and column values we have to be inserted based on the document. So for example, in our organization we have to maintain a student analysis such as student name, number, register number, and his 10th mark and the 12th mark, and his parents details, mobile number, his address, and the percentage which we attained from the first semester, second, third, and the semesters. So these are all the student database which we are having in our documents. So for example, in IAE exams uh, we have to get the details about the student register number, name, and the subject marks, total, rank. So these are all the document we have to maintain in this rows and column format. So there are more number of documents. So these documents can be varied to the different organizations. So in this is our educational institute, so we have to maintain some uh, uh, exam results and some things, grade points, IAE marks, his analysis, and the attendance percentage. These are all the documents we maintained in this student database. But in some other data, so some other organization, they have maintained, so for example in business analytics, so they have maintained the what are all the expenditure, so what are all the income, and what they are exported, so which time, which date, so monthly revenue. These are all the documents they have to be maintained. So these documents have to be exposed to the audience using rows and columns. It is a very difficult to understand the audience, understand by the audience which documents we have to share, and they have not necessary, sorry, they have are not interested to design the decision making, because these are all the rows and columns format. So all the data is in rows and columns. So there are n number of rows and the n number of columns. We have to maintain more number of data. There is thousands and 2000 to 3000 lakhs of data we have to maintain it based on the organization. So if we are want to clarify the audience, that is target audience. So for example, if we have a review about the IAE analysis or the end semester analysis to the expert person which we called from some other institution or some other NIT IITs, so these members cannot identify, cannot understand what are all the students and what grade points we have need, and what are all the procedure we have followed. So these things not understood by the audience. So these formats, so to avoid these confusions, we have to give the information in a graphical representation. So we have some graphics or some data points to in a graphical representation. So this will be very useful to understand the data to the particular audience, and they have make a decision about what we have to convey to the audience. So these are all the procedures we have to use data visualization tools, that is Tableu. So it is very useful tool and a very user friendly tool. So in this Tableu tool, we have just drag and drop the information to the particular dashboard. they have to generate the information in a graphical representation. So we have to use either a scatter plot, a heat map, a bar chart, by chart, all these documents. In a fraction of seconds the details will be changed into a graphical format. Thank you.